New Life is a general contractor. It is a painting, restoration, and remodeling service provider. It's a company that paints homes, provides 24/7 emergency services, remodels kitchens and bathrooms, and everything in between. It's also a local asset. The company was started in 1978 and we now employ over 40 people who are providing the community with what I think is the highest quality work. As well as our Paint It Forward program where we pick projects in need to complete for free as a way to give back to our community. It's also a YouTube channel where we post videos to several social media accounts so you can see the work we have done before we started and after we finished. I know our team does great work. You don't have to take our word for it, you can see for yourself.
It's been almost 4 years now and it looks like it just got freshly painted.
And anybody that comes over to my house and sees it compliments on how nice it is.
We know that New Life does a great job. Yeah, we would absolutely always go back to New Life.
So it's a general contractor, showroom, local asset, YouTube channel, website, but most importantly, it's a family, a huge and awesome family, working together for you. So if you haven't done it yet, consider giving us a call at 805-937-9836 to see how our team can best serve you.